Ever wondered how to make sure your family's future is secure, without a mountain of stress or paperwork down the line? Estate planning can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a bit of knowledge, you can set up a plan that protects your loved ones and gives you peace of mind for years to come. Let's talk about family trusts, and why they're a game changer for estate planning. These aren't just for the ultra-wealthy or business moguls. Family trusts are practical tools that everyday families can use to manage their assets, reduce taxes, and avoid legal headaches. First off, what is a family trust? Think of it like a protective box. It's a legal structure you create to hold and manage your assets, keeping them safe and organized for the people you care about most. You put assets, like your home, a rental property, or investments, inside this box. These can include anything from real estate and stocks to family heirlooms, or even a small business. Once inside, these assets are managed according to the rules you set. The trust then legally owns those assets, but you still call the shots as the trustee. That means you're in charge of how everything is handled, invested, or distributed as long as you're alive and able. When the time comes to pass things on, your family, the beneficiaries, get the benefits. You can decide exactly who receives what, and even set conditions, like age requirements or milestones, for when they inherit. So why would you use a family trust instead of just leaving a will? While a will is a basic tool for passing on your assets, a trust offers more control, privacy, and flexibility. It can help you avoid some of the common pitfalls that come with traditional estate planning. Here's the magic. Trusts let you split income among family members, which can mean less tax overall. By distributing income to beneficiaries in lower tax brackets, your family could save thousands each year, making your wealth go further. They also help you dodge probate, the legal process that can tie up your assets for months, even years. Probate can be expensive, public, and stressful for your loved ones. With a trust, your family can access what they need quickly and privately. And maybe best of all, you keep control over who gets what and when. You can make sure your legacy is passed down exactly how you want, whether that's supporting a child's education, helping with a first home, or preserving a cherished family property. But it's not all sunshine. There are some challenges and costs to consider before jumping in. Setting up a family trust can get pricey. You'll pay legal fees, and there's yearly paperwork and filings. Depending on your situation, you might also need to pay for ongoing professional advice to keep everything running smoothly. Plus, it's more complex than just writing a will. You've got to be ready for some extra work, like keeping records, filing annual tax returns for the trust, and making sure you follow the rules you set up. Let's look at a real-life example to see how this works in practice. Imagine a couple who own a family cottage and a duplex rental. They want to keep these in the family, but avoid a messy estate battle later on. They also want to make sure their kids benefit from the properties, without the risk of everything being sold off or lost to taxes. So, they set up a family trust and put both properties in it. This way, the trust owns the cottage and the duplex, not the couple directly. They're the trustees, so they still make all the decisions, like who gets to use the cottage for summer or how to handle the rental income. They can even set rules for how the properties are maintained or passed down in the future. Their kids don't own the properties directly, but they receive income from them, thanks to the trust. This income can help with education, starting a business, or just enjoying life, without the kids having to worry about managing the properties themselves. When the parents are ready, they can smoothly hand over control, and the family avoids probate delays and big tax surprises. The transition is seamless, and the family legacy stays intact for the next generation. Bottom line, a family trust can be a powerful tool to secure your legacy, support your kids, and keep family harmony. It's about more than just money. It's about protecting your values, your memories, and your family's future. But it's not for everyone. Trusts can be complicated, and the rules vary depending on where you live. Talk to a financial advisor or estate planner before making a move so you can weigh the pros and cons for your unique situation. If you found this helpful, hit like, and drop your questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more content that matters to you and your family. I'm here to help you make your family's future a little bit brighter. Remember, estate planning is a gift you give to your loved ones, one that lasts for generations. Thanks for watching.